Hi guys, in front of me is CMF Phone 2 Pro, and let me show you how to remove private space from this device. So, once you want to remove private space, just open the settings, then find and select System, enroll it, go to Reset Options, and mark Delete Private Space. Now you have to enter your PIN code, pattern or Face ID, whatever you use, and then just confirm that you truly want to get rid of private space on your device. It will be permanently deleted, so Google account added to your space will also be removed. If you do agree, if you do confirm, tap on delete. And that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.